Did you know that by just typing on your keyboard that you could make money in an instant? Yeah, you heard that right. Who would think that by doing so you can already generate money online? This sounds so amazing, right? Now, I want you to listen to every little detail that I will be sharing with you because today I'll be showing you different platforms, including this very new tool. And this is really interesting because again, who would really think that by simple typing using your keyboard, you could get paid big time? As I've mentioned earlier, I will be showing you how to make money with the use of your keyboard or by simply typing online. So, the very first website that we will be using today is called talentdesire.com. If you want to check on transcription jobs or even online tutoring jobs, they can be found on this platform. But for us, we will be focusing more on typing jobs since it doesn't need that much experience and skills. All you have to do is type at a satisfactory speed. If you have the latter, which I guess will not be a problem, then you're good and set to make money online. If you go to their page, you'll see that the amount of money that you could potentially earn looks promising. It states that you can earn between $15,000 and $25,000 annually, which isn't bad given that all you have to do is type with your keyboard without certainly giving that much of hard work. Take note though that you won't be earning that amount monthly for a reason that you won't type as fast as needed. Now that's the only drawback here. The amount of money you will earn per word varies from beginner to expert. In moments, I'll show you how to make as much money as possible on this website called ratatype.com. This is a platform for typing tests. Now, I'd like you to take the typing exam, which you may do by pressing this button. This website not only assists you in improving your typing speed, but also provides you with a certificate that will come in handy. That is why I requested the typing test. My reason is that you have a certificate. You'll be able to make the most money for each page because you have proof that you can type at a particular speed, even if you're still a novice to talentdesire.com. Thanks to ratatype.com, you will be able to obtain a certificate. Once you've obtained it, head over again to talentdesire.com and begin earning the maximum amount of money on every single page. However, getting into the ideal typing speed that provides you the certificate that allows you to make a great deal of money will take time if you don't type speedily enough. If you don't type very fast or don't want to practice improving your typing speed, then don't worry. The next website that I will show you will help you make loads of money regardless of your typing speed. Keep on watching because it's not yet known to a bunch of people. Moving forward, after clicking the Start Typing button, they will be asking you to type certain words that you see on screen, so they can calculate your typing speed. You will be able to see the result of your typing after you finish the task. The best thing is that if you're not impressed with your typing speed, you can repeat the test as many times as you like until you get the result of your ideal typing speed, which is roughly 70 words per minute. Simply click on Improve Typing Speed right here to sign up for a free account. You may sign up using either Google or Facebook. However, I advise that you sign up using Facebook rather than your email address. If you choose to sign up with the former, you will still need to enter your name, email address, and password. After that, tick the box to agree to their conditions. Then sign up below to complete the process. When you log in, this is how everything looks. Now you must complete the lessons in order to improve your typing speed to the point where you will be able to acquire the certificate. Just simply scroll down to get the certificate below. What's even better is that you'll receive a certificate in Ratatype while also enhancing your typing speed for free. That credential will enable you to make a lot of money typing on any website, not just based on your talent. Return to talentdesire.com and sign up after you receive the certificate. The registration process is a little complex for some reason, so I'll walk you through it. The first thing you should do is click Get Started Now, and then click on Apply for a Job on the next page. After that, you must click Select an Application Form, and afterward, click on Online Application Form. Finally, select Fill in your details to apply and work with us, and fill out all of the information so that you can sign up for a free account and start making money by typing. As I've previously stated, the disadvantage of this one is that before you can get paid well, you must practice for at least a month because mastering typing takes time.